To the toy store. Yep. Dog toys. And cat toys. Now we're in the toy store.
It's so cute. Oh, it's a cute little donkey.
That's so cute. Look the lid. And then there's like tons of dolls.
This one too. Oh, so cute.
And then
I actually like this. Is so cute.
there's these weird emojis. And there's Squishies, and this is so cute.
Look at this one too.
Donkey, I love that. That one's really cute. That's really cute. Oh, it's a baby donkey over there.
Like I don't care.
Oh, I have an elephant sort of like this. That was this weird toy wrap, but like no slime. Oh, there is slime. Nose putty. It's $2.99. And there's yellow. And there's an there's this vest ball that you can find like everywhere. It's sort of soft. Okay, so we are at the Granville Market now. And inside this toy shop, there's a basketball machine with panda buns, and I'm not sure what size they are. So I think they're really.
You want to show them your Canadian money? Okay, you already put it in.
Oh, well, it's a $2. Oh, 2 of them came down.
Oh, you got 2?
2 came down.
Oh,
They're
awesome.
mini ones.
Are they the same thing?
No, they're different. Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
Cool.
Do you want to squish it? It's really
So they're
soft.
pretty much $1 each.
Yeah.
It's $2 each.
Look.
Just someone.
Well, she got an extra one.
Oh,
Boy and a girl.
That's so cool. Wow. There's silly putty for $1.95. Whoa. And then there's these spot balls and whoopee cushions. What? And then like foam stuff. And like foam ladybugs. Look at how many boats there are. There's this devil-looking moose that poops out stuff. I recorded this because it's like a squeeze toy. It is $4.99 inside of the Canada store at Granville Island Market or whatever. Okay, so we finished eating at the food supermarket. Or not the supermarket, it's
It's like a farmer's market.
Farmer's market. And now we are going to the car again.
Are we?
Yeah, so we can head over to Kauai 2
Should I get that
Collector.
donkey?
Yeah, if you like it.
But what would I do with it?
So Kauai 2 Collector is near our hotel, and then we're gonna go to
Get a photo of that already?
the Ardeen Mall. Ardeen.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Ardeen
Here,
Mall.
turn.
Okay, so apparently that's really cool. Okay, so we actually couldn't find Kauai 2 collection, and we went to this one other mall, but there's nothing in it. So now we are heading to Richmond Public Market, and it's really Asian. It has like food courts and like gachapo machines and stuff, and like it's a market full of animal bodies and fruits. So gachapo machines, there's like tons over here, which we came here last time, and it has really nothing squishy related. There's these cute donuts, but that's anything. But there's Dragon's Knot, and Izzy brought this to my attention that it's like slime stuff, so it's $1, and I'm gonna get it. Oh, thanks, Mom. So, yeah, it's slime. Whoa, wait, is it clear? Yeah, it's clear slime that you have to mix the glitter.
I'll drop you off and you run in and get 2 bubble milk tea, okay?
These were $1 each.
And we take the Aberdeen off, or get Aberdeen.
Just walk across the street.
It's the blue one that I got the first time, and then I went back and got this one. This one's more like dragon snot, except it's glittery. But yeah, those got. Okay, so now we are heading to Jahan to get boba tea, milk, and matcha tea. Green tea, and then we are going to go to the Aberdeen Mall. And I think I said like Ardeen Mall earlier. It's Aberdeen. So yeah. Okay, so we are taking a little stop while walking to the Aberdeen Mall over there, out that door. So yeah, and then we're gonna go hunting and shopping. Just shopping.
Okay, so we found the shop in the Aberdeen
it's from yesterday. Yeah, it's yesterday. It's called Super Garage. It's not Race Garage. It has like macaron squishies and like whatever Villa Kumalo. It has panda buns. It's so squishy. And then they just got this, or at least I didn't see them yesterday. It was so soft and so squishy. Yeah, and they have this Gudetama, which is also new. The sushi thing sold out. But there's these sushi ones left. They did have the flying fish egg one. So we went to the art box place and got like stationery. I got this Butter Friends notebook. And Izzy got this diary. It's so cute. It has all of these features in the back. And then Cassidy got this My Cash book looking thingy. Yeah, and my mom got a planner. Whoa. Whoa, this is like gelatin-like. That feels so cool. Glory.
You want one of these?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Choose one, whichever one.
Okay. That I am not getting the giant Kinder Egg because it has Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in it, and no, like, because I haven't ever watched it before. So getting delicious coffee sticks, and then we have a big bowl of seafood. All right, so yummy, and this is our last night at this hotel, and tomorrow we're going to be heading to Victoria, BC. So yeah, it's gonna be a shorter drive, and now everyone's either showering, sleeping, or getting ready for bed, or packing up for tomorrow. And one of my sister is going or at the gym, so yeah. And did I mention that I'm whispering because my dad's sleeping and I don't want to wake him up, though he's probably half awake. He's awake now, so I'm just gonna talk sort of normal. Anyways, peace out and have a great day.